Hey guys, we received these computer speakers for test and try. This computer speaker can be used for the laptop, tablet, wired USB, USB-C, or the Bluetooth connection. And they have this really nice LED as well. So plug and play PC speakers. So let me just open everything and show it to you. So this is the small bar or the sound bar that is actually the main speaker with the four thing you can see inside. There are manual buttons and also like I have this USB cable for the stand as well. So now Amazon may subside this audio because of the when I test this speaker. So I put the text as well, and you can convert this adapter from USB to USB-C. So in case if my voice is suppressed, you can still understand it with the text. So just see like this have these manual buttons and there's a nice bar with the LED choice and you can increase or down the volume based on the speaker things and also have this LED diaphragm stuff so you can see like how the beautiful LEDs are there and now see this is the USB-C adapter that I'm using to plug and play and that's it. It start the speaker, the sound will transfer to it and you can hear the sound quality. I also like this LED, the moving things. So this is the USB-C connection that I'm getting from the laptop. The second thing is if you take out this thing and this becomes a USB-A, you can also just plug in play and boom, it will start playing into the speaker. And the other thing is the Bluetooth connection. You can directly do that with the Bluetooth. It's select the speaker and here it goes. So this can work with any Windows, Chrome or Android or iOS, whatever you want to use it with. And also have this diaphragm really nice LED quality, good sound quality based on the size and the price, and also have a really nice connection thing USB-C, USB-A, and Bluetooth. Overall, I like this speaker and they are really nice control with the volume or the manual button as well, and then play or pause thing.